I'm going to demonstrate how the faucet seems to no longer catch the shut off. The knob handle is loose and wiggly. You'll note that it rotates freely and doesn't turn on or off from the what would be off position at a 90-degree angle. We still have a drip going from hot back to there at the 90 degree. The only way to physically shut off the faucet is to go to cold, bring it up slowly, and then we still have a lot of slop in the handle. I've taken out the set screw, and now I've noticed that the joystick, for lack of a better term, has a great deal of play in it. The water is not coming on, even though the joystick can move freely. When the joystick is put to the cold and then returned, you can see the water does not shut off, and you have to find a spot in which the water shut off. So the set screw is back in place and the handle is back. I've tightened it as much as I could, but not overly tight. It's in place. It does not spin while twisting, so the set screw is on the lever. When I go out to turn it on, the water turns on. When I pull it back to 90 degrees, I still have a drip. So therefore I have to jimmy the handle down to cold, which, as you can see at the angle, is not good 95. So when you're turning and going straight out, you still have that much flow, and then the faucet has to be brought down almost to what would be cold for it to be off.